Today I will be showing you guys how compass Schneider domestic panel distribution board panel used to work and the functions and every other thing. First of all, the name of the company that produced this is Schneider Electrical, and it was being powered by Compass. Compass are the ones that collaborate with Schneider, and they produce this based on the specification of the building from the electrical engineer that give them specification on what to build and what he wants. So if you look up here, you will see DB F201, which is this one is distribution board floor 2 panel 1. So if you look at here, you will see L1, L2, L3 presence. This light indicates that the three phase is present. And you look at here, you see S1 lighting control 1 and S2 lighting control 2. You have auto and manual. It is being scheduled in two different segments because one is controlling light, the other one is controlling socket and ACs. So let me open the inside and show you what is really happening. All the panel has keys, so what you're going to do when it's coming with the key. You place the key inside, you turn it. There is a sign there, there is this sign, you can look at it very well. There is a sign here. You turn the key towards that side and press this button. You see that the handle opens. This is how to open the panel, although you cannot use this pattern and this method to open other panels because all panels has their own specification. So you open it. This is what it looks like when you open the panel, and I will explain it bit by bit so that you understand how these things work. First of all, you will see fuse 1, 2, 3. That is fuse 1. This one is power meter. You can see the light power meter indicating the loads and everything that is being connected, like it's showing how this thing is being running, the voltage that is going out. It's just more or less like CT. It's more or less like CT, this power meter, just like your normal meter at home, like a NEPA meter. This is what it looks like in this Schneider panel. Then from here, you will see this L1, L2, L3. This L1, this L2, L3. For here, this is rotary, this thing, what is it called? Button, switch, which is this switch. So this is it. And on norms, you will see how they indicate it. 1, 2, that is 12. The same thing here. Here is being looked 6. So that is it. This is the trunk key, and here is the diagram, because it came with the specification of how the building, what the engineer wants. So whenever you want to do your connection, you check the diagram of the electrical diagram or drawing for the building, and you can be able to connect it properly. Before we get there, for the connection, let me show you. This one here is the incomer. So if you are connecting anything, this should be your first place of connection. Like if you want to power this panel, this incomer should be your first priority. Then here is the distribution block. From this place, it enters here. From this surge breaker, it enters surge arrestor. From this surge arrestor, it enters this distribution plug. Then it's from this distribution plug that the power moves. Like it enters here, it goes to fuse. From fuse, it enters surge. From surge, arrestor and distribution plug. Then from here now, it now comes down to lighting. You can see Q1 to Q14 RCBO. This is residual current breaker in display here. So from here also, the two breakers here, normal breaker and RCB, feed these ones down to this 14. You can see from Q1 to Q14 is what is here. You see Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. All of these are lighting. And you might be wondering how to connect it there. I will come to that segment. Then here now you see from Q15 to Q30 ROCB, the same kind of this thing breaker that is here, that is what is here. You see the 300 milliamps, then this one has C36, so 415 volts, so and all that. So this one also is the same thing. You look from here, you see from Q15 to Q30, from 15 to Q30, all of them are lighting. To this, down to this place, you see spare. In the norms, there are, after building the specification, the owner of the building might say, I need more lights here, and whereby you have utilize, you have exhaust what you have, that is why you see spare almost all the time at panel. So this is the most cases why you see spare. In every of the panel, there must be a spare. Then down here, you see Q30 to Q36 ROCCB, socket, spare. All these ones, these are the space also you can use to install more breaker if you need more functions of like more sockets, and you have exhausted these breakers. You can see, so in each of the sockets here, the breakers here you're seeing here, if you is not showing you well, with the breakers here you can easily see 16 amps for breaker. So that is for the breaker, 16 amps from this one single pole here down to this end is 16 amps. So that is it. Then down here, these are ACs. If you look very well, you see AC indoors. All these ones are from A to Z, from Q37 to Q42. ROCCB also is the main breaker here down to this end. All of them are for AC, with data, all the AC, any kind of AC, all of them. And the breaker here also is used for 16 amps. A few of them are 20 amps, the rest is 16 amps. So from 16 amps you can connect your breaker for AC and socket. So that is it. Then let me show you the main terminal block where the whole thing is being done. You turn the key like this also, you press it, you turn the handle, you pull. So okay, here we go. You see how the cable arrangement is. Okay, let's go. Look at how the cable arrangement is. You can see all the black cable are bunched in one side going down, and all the red cable are bunched in one side going down, all of them. Then first of all, you have the earthing, all of them are bunched one side going down. This side is earth, first earth bar. Then look at the second earth bar here. So the specification for this, for the lighting here, from the diagram, electrical diagram or drawing, whichever you want to do, schematic drawing, is 2.5 for the lighting, 3/4 2.5, which adds red and black. So this is the supply. I made mention of supply breaker before. Look at the main supply here. You can see a number on it, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you check from the instruction menu here, you can see 1, neutral 1, LO1 2, LO1 2, LO2 3, LO3 4. So that is what is being here. Neutral 1, red 2, yellow 3, and blue 4. So this is where the supply came to and goes down to this incomer breaker. Then from the incomer breaker, it went to, after the surge, the fuse, surge breaker, it comes to distribution block. Then from there, you get all of this. So now, at times, if you see the cables here, you can see the cable tray, a lot of cable is coming in. You might wonder how. When they were pulling the cable, they tag the cable. This one is socket with its design number or tags. So they will tag each cable. This cable is so and so, and from there you will see it. Now let's go back to this instruction menu from the panel. They said from here 5 and 6 here is going to Q1, which is Q1 here. You can see it. So now the cable that is coming has this Q1 on its own before it enters this panel. So when you strip and dress your cable, you maintain it, you look for 5 and 6. You can see now 1 here. You can see the neutral. You see one from these are cable marker or cable failure. I don't know which one you're gonna call it. This one you can use it to mark the cable or dictate the cable after you before you done your termination. So you have to mark it. This one here is going to 5 and 6. 5 and 6 here. You can see from this instruction menu, 5 and 6 is for Q1. So L1 is for this Q1 here, over here. So the same thing serially. So 8 and 7 is L2. The tag is turned backward, but if you can see from inside, you see 2. That is how it is. Then you use your log, creeping tool and your log, bootless long based on the one that the company provide, and dress it properly in each of the terminal plugs. Then down, when you get to this place, you see that the lighting ends on 19. Then the socket, which is 4 mm, you see the cable is big, it's 4 mm. It keeps going down, going down, going down. After the block, you see another block. This is still 4 mm. It enters AC. So the supply cable is majorly higher and bigger because of the kind of load you are carrying. You cannot use 10 mm to run this kind of load. After some time, the cable, you find that the cable is heating up and it can result to burning. It can result to sparks. It can result to overheating, and it can lead to fire outbreak in the panel based on you are using a cable that is lower because of load sharing and load balancing. So this cable is 16 mm, 4 core 16 mm. So look at the earthing bar. It's very, very important to earth your panel and earth the load, because in case if there is any leakage, it can be able to trip from this panel. So this is for now all about Schneider compass for domestic panel. And another thing is there is something making noise here. It's called contactor. Let me show you. Okay, look at the contactor here. Contactor 1, contactor 2. Both of them are making noise. They open and close this panel. The reason why they use this contactor, in case if you want to use the remote control, here, this very point block here is where you can use the remote control for the contactor. You understand? So from this 90 to 97 is the control for the two contactors. So you can control this panel from the main control room of this building. So if you check on the diagram here, like I said before, you can see connector description table controls. You see remote control KM. That KM there simply means contactor 1, remote control contactor 2. You can see from 89 to 97 of what I showed you before. From here 90 to 97. So the tagging was not right, but if you follow it properly, you will get to what I'm saying. So this is the little I can show you about compass, the Schneider compass panel, especially domestic wiring. So these ones, and how to open this and how to close it. You pick up this, place it here. You use your screwdriver, you place it, you turn it. You put it here, you turn it. It has closed. The same thing here. You place your cover properly. You put your screwdriver, you turn, see it's firm. You place another one, you turn. So this is all I can show you. This remaining cover, I'll put it later because we are just powering this panel. This one here is the emergency, so we are using it to test run the emergency. So I'll talk to you guys in my next video concerning this emergency. I'll talk to you guys later concerning, because we have not supplied the main cable that is going to power this panel. So stay tuned, share this video, like it, so that whenever I post my next video, you will receive a notification and you will learn more. Thank you all. Love you all.